You know, so divestment and divestment merger. What is the meaning of divestment? Divestment mergers. It does mean the company is selling one of the divestment to another company, creating a separate company. But said I having a portion of different companies. It is a consolidated company. So somebody is going to take my consolidated control. So I'm doing. I have some efficient companies I'm selling out to create money. Then I'm going to uh, make sure nobody going to take over my company. That's my form of way of divestment. Spin off divestment, equity cow divestment, spin off divestment, and sell off divestment. What is spin off? It is a part of a business separate and created a separate form. So I have it is part of my business. I'm removing that and creating a different company, a different form. So that will outsource. I that is me like it is like expense to me right now. Beforely it was an asset to me. Now it will be expense to me. Such a waste spin off. Existing shareholders of the firm get proportionate ownership, and spin off does not bring fresh cash. Usually it's an expense. It's not a cash actually. This is an equity carve out. What is like? It's like spin off. However, some share of a new company are sold in market by public offer, so bring cash. So when I removing this from the company and creating as a new company, I may sell a portion of this company as a equity, and through that it will be run. At the same time, when they were good dividend, this may expense for me. At the same time, I may even get equity and profits like you get dividend from this company. So just the idea is equity carve out. Spin up. It is like breaking up the entire firm into series of spin-off, creating separate legal entity. The parent firm has no longer exists and only new and created entity survives. So I have a big company. I won't want this control in my own or many shareholder, making it to different companies. So they operate effectively individually and they pre-enter balance sheet or separate different balance sheet. So thing is now if anybody want to control this technology, they want this other companies too. So it is too difficult to buy back. So I diversified, nobody can take over the company. Such idea is build a company. Sell it off. It is a sale of asset of an entire entity, one entity to another purchase consideration. Hey, I don't want this. I don't want to sell to you. So what I can do, I sell it to another person. If you want buy it from that person, such a way selling of the company. These are this divestment or a divestiture or demerger. Thank you.